Hello everybody, my name is Celine. Today we're here to show you various recipes that you can make by using some of the items that are in your TEFAP kit. TEFAP stands for Temporary Emergency Food Assistance Program. The TEFAP kit contains a variety of non-perishable foods. You can get your TEFAP kit once a month at the food bank or at a food bank pantry. In this TEFAP kit, we have some peaches and we're gonna show you the recipes of some of the things that you can do at home. Peaches are rich in many vitamins and minerals. Peaches are full of beta carotene, which is a precursor of vitamin A. And vitamin A is essential for keeping proper eye health. Vitamin A is also important in the health of your skin, and it also supports a healthy immune system. Peaches are also loaded with vitamin C as well, which also help with the immunity and to have a healthy, glowy skin. Now Becky is going to show you how to make some amazing recipes using this amazing fruit.
Hi, I'm Chef Becky. Thank you so much, Celine, for telling us all about the nutritional facts about peaches. I'm sure we'll have more to go as we start cooking. So I have a little bit of a sweet tooth. So I'm always trying to incorporate ways to bring health and nutrition into my sweet tooth so I don't have to give it up altogether. And I was so excited when we saw the peaches in our kit because they are so yummy, and especially in the cans, they're really creamy. So it's hard in the store to buy one just the right texture, but I know the creaminess of these and the softness of it's all the way through. So one of my favorite things to do is just simply broil them. So within under 10 minutes, you can have a yummy, delicious, sweet, healthy dish to dig into. So the first thing we always want to remember with our cans, is to disinfect them by wiping them, wiping the rim off, get them nice and clean. And I like these I don't have to use that can opener for, which makes it really easy. Take that, recycle that, and then strain our peaches.
Becky, can you tell us why you are straining the peaches?
What I love to do is kind of do a cheat. So I had to give up my sodas, or I want to give up my sodas. And so what I can do though is take some of this liquid, just like maybe a half a teaspoon, and flavor my water really quickly and easily. And so it's a great way to add a little touch of sweetness to my drinks. Helps me drink more water, which is really important. So then we're gonna put our peaches. I like to do them, putting them so the pit side is up. Kind of rinse my can out and recycle it. So again, we're adding some more sugar. So I saved some, I can use some. Right. And just put a little bit of sugar on top of each one. I think there was 2 teaspoons total in this cup, and I'm not even gonna use all that, so just a little bit on each one. It helps get the sugars, the natural sugars in the peaches to caramelize, just kind of starts that process. And then a secret ingredient, a little cinnamon, and there we go. I'm gonna pop it in under the broiler in my oven. You could also grill them as well, which would be really yummy. Got another broiler right here, ready to go. Celine, I think they're done. It's about time. Let's go.
So I can smell it.
Oh, these look so yummy. Look at that caramely goodness. Oh, it looks fabulous.
That looks excellent, my goodness.
Oh, and you know what sometimes I eat with these too is a little bit of Greek yogurt on top. Yeah. Are you gonna try one?
Absolutely.
And it would also help cool it down a little bit faster. So be careful. I think it's a little hot right now. Yummy.
So tasty.
So granola too would be good. Crunch. Thank you so much everyone for joining us this week and learning more about peaches and what we can do with them. Have fun.